Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and access the driver information center. This is the cluster display in your 2006 Chevy Silverado. Use the DIC scroll buttons on the left stalk or steering wheel to navigate menus until oil life or remaining oil life appears. When the oil life is visible, press and hold the SET or reset button for 5 seconds. The gauge will update and show 100% when the reset completes, confirming the oil life has been restored. If the DIC method fails, use an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner that supports oil life reset or service reset and follow its prompts to set oil life to 100%. As an alternative, disconnect the negative battery cable for 15 minutes to force an electronic reset, but be aware this will erase radio presets and the clock and may require radio code entry. If buttons are unresponsive, inspect the DIC button cluster and relevant fuses, and consider replacing the switch assembly or having a technician diagnose the instrument cluster. After you complete the reset procedure, verify the driver information center displays 100% oil life and immediately record the mileage and date of the oil change for maintenance logs. Use the correct oil grade for your engine. Many 2006 Silverado V8s use 5W30 and refill to the proper capacity, commonly around 6 quarts with filter, while checking the dipstick to avoid overfill. Dispose of used oil and the old filter at a certified recycling center, and only perform the DIC reset after you have completed the actual oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.